Our 7 core values are tools that guide how we think and thrive here at Appfire. The more they're used as a continuous loop, the stronger the impact. And today's guest shares how a team in Poland set that loop into motion. Meet Agnes Józwiak, a product marketing manager on our Whiteboards team in Poland. A driving force in educating our team members, customers, and partners about whiteboards, Agnes shares how one of our most popular apps went through many iterations in order to make the biggest impact based on customer feedback. She reflects on how the team used all 7 of Appfire's core values to transform safeguards to what is today whiteboards. By engaging with newly remote teams at the height of the pandemic, the team had the focus to build and the humility to recognize that if an app wasn't right for them, they adapt to build something that would add to the awesome of their customers' workflow. See what I did there? All 7 core values in motion. And the best part, the Whiteboards team was living these core values as Spartans before they joined Appfire in 2021, making them the perfect addition to our team. Welcome to Voice of the Flame.
We're a product company with hundreds of helpful apps, but these stories aren't about our products. This isn't about the what, this is about our why, the passion that fuels us here at Appfire. This is Voice of the Flame.
I think joining Appfire, feeling that you're not just another puzzle in the whole block, but you actually an individual or the individual contributing to all projects. You'll have the opportunity to show your skills, improve your skills, find your way. It's not only about finding a way to get your customers, it's finding a way where your skills will be best used. Having that flexibility and security that your talent will be appreciated. The expertise, the experience, and support of all the experienced people around. But what's really great to see is to have the influence on the product growth and then see the actual impact of whatever you implement, whatever you do is based on customer feedback and see how people react to it. And then being able to optimize and, roll out new changes, new campaigns, new promotions, new features, and see how people react to those. And you know that you have an impact on that. Your voice is heard. Not only our customers' feedback, but, we try to challenge each other as well. By giving this feedback, they might give you a different perspective. So, the feedback that you're asking for and feedback you're giving is something that's needed. Very dynamic environment and working with such a great people. Appfire altogether, we put a great pressure on a great talent, making sure that we work with people that will really contribute to the success of all products. And you can feel that. You can feel that people are coming to work with you are people who actually bring the real market experience. And you can feel that, you can learn from that. And not only you can learn from that, but you can implement it. You've got impact. And that's the most important thing. So new challenges, new ideas, and new results. That's pretty much what drives me here.
As someone who's played a role in the Whiteboards journey from day one, for Agnes, that feeling of impact through iteration is palpable. Thank you, Agnes, for continuing to light the way for an amazing product and the amazing people behind it.